Are you social or antisocial?
I guess I haven't really been social in a while, mostly because...
In your voice, I sense hesitance. Would you agree with that?
Raise your hand if you've ever compared yourself to another person.
Jy is goed genoeg.
To choose yourself.
Hier is die Real Housewives van Pretoria, waar ons oor mekaar praat.
Real life process of individuation is about disconnecting.
You see, Orson, loneliness is a disease of the spirit. And people who have it think that no one cares about them. You see, when children are young, they're told not to talk to strangers. Then when they go to school, they're told not to talk to the person next to them. And finally, when they get to be very old, they're told not to talk to themselves. Who's left?
It's too bad everybody down there can't get together and find a cure.
But here's the paradox, sir, because if they did get together, they wouldn't need one.
Volgens 'n wêreldwye opname wat deur Meta en Gallup uitgevoer is, dui byna 1 uit elke 4 volwassenes aan dat hulle baie of redelik eensaam voel.
AI and technology actually could enhance our human skills, but we've decided to use it in a way that just enhances our self-obsession and our need to get affirmation rather than to build connection.
I am 25 and I have no friends.
I don't have any friends in real life.
And I'm sitting alone in my apartment at my desk staring at my computer.
He said the growing isolation in society poses a health risk as deadly as smoking.
Loneliness increases the risk for heart disease, stroke, and among older adults, dementia.
We're made for each other.
Hulle sê vryheid lê in onafhanklikheid. Dat jy jouself sal vind wanneer jy alleen loop. Dat geluk gekoop kan word, gestreen kan word of raak geskrol kan word.
Maar ergens het ons mekaar verloor. Daar is afstand tussen mens en mens. Daar is afstand tussen mens en waarheid. Daar is afstand tussen mens en die God wat ons aan mekaar geweef het vir meer as net oorlewing.
Ons was nog nooit so connected soos ons vandag is nie, en tog
was die mensdom nog nooit so eensaam nie.
We are all lonely, but we are lonely together.
'n Skare van individue wat in die leemte inskree.
Ons hunker na betekenis. Ons honger na iets real. No man is an island.
Wat as ons storie nie so hoef te lees nie?
Wat as die revolusie wat ons nodig het nie gaan oor meer geraas maak nie?
Nie daaroor gaan om die blink kant bo te hou nie, maar oor dieper beweeg. Saam. Geanker in antieke waarheid.
Gedryf deur 'n liefde wat geen grense ken nie.
'n Opstand van mense wat sê eenheid bo ego.
Intimiteit bo image.
En heelheid bo hustle. Jy het 'n besluit om te maak. Hoe ver sal jy gaan?
Iets is aan die kom. So, join ons.